too. Hey, mister, watch out, she'll get you too. Now there's no doubt that she's got a conscience and a mind. But when she goes stepping out, she leaves them both behind, and she'll draw rings round the gal like Louisville, 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 Lou. I'm telling you, she can make a Bluebeard feel mighty blue. Yeah, it's true, so true. If you take a mama who is hot-blooded, she'll rev up your engine till it's flooded. Nobody knows what a red-hot mama can do. She'll do what no one can do. You gotta see mama every night, or you won't see mama at all. You gotta kiss your old mama, treat her right. She won't be home when you call. Hey, baby, so if you want my company, then you can't 50-50 me. You gotta see mama every night, or you won't see mama at all. No, 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 nobody knows what a red-hot mama can do. See mama every night. Now give her a heart made of rock. She'll break it in. Gotta kiss mama every night. There's no doubt that I've got a conscience and a mind. So if you want my company, then you can't 50-50 me. You gotta see mama every night, or you won't see mama at all, at all. You won't see mama at all, that's all. Won't see your red hot doll. Better see mama, or you won't see mama at all.
Breathe. I was going to cue you in a minute, but okay. I'm going to try to take as long as I can for that. Down the tiles. In character.
Now, how can I tell you what is in my heart? My heart. How can I measure each and every part? Every part. How can I tell you how much I love you? Love you. How can I measure just how much I do? How much do I love you? I'll tell you no lie. How deep is the ocean, and how high is the sky? How many times a day do I think of you? How many roses are sprinkled with dew? And how far would I travel to be where you are? How far is the journey from here to a star? And if I ever lost you, how much would I cry? How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky? And if I ever lost you, how much would I cry? How deep is the ocean? How high? How high is the
tiles. And come back to the middle. I'm going to count to 3, and we're going to go into our photo position. 1, 2, 3, go. How's that?
Are we split?
Split. No fist, it's a hand on the hip. Split. Split, so turn around, Mary. You're the wrong way. And it's your right hand, so it's your right hand on your hip. Okay. You're looking out, but you're split like that, so you've got a tilt, okay, but you're looking out that way, okay?
How does it look?
And it's just a hand, not a hip. Are you okay here?